Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from US Bank to Dubai. This is easy. You need to do is open your app, your US Bank app, and then once you open your US Bank app, you need to click this option called Pay Bills and Transfer. Once you click by here, you need to select this option called External Transfer. External transfers will show you a option called wire transfer. This option will allow us to send a large sum of money to another person in your country and other countries. You the only thing you need to do is select this option and then you need to select to send money international to send the money to Dubai. Is easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe if you have any question. Okay. Okay. That's it.